Anytime you're ready.
पिया के जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया मुझको ओ मेरे यारो संभालना मुश्किल हो गया.
Hello everybody, this is your MC Myra DeCosta and welcome back to my channel. For today you can see this amazing guy with beautiful hair, which I'm very jealous of right now. Okay, so we have with us a very handsome hunk sitting out here. His name is Elvister. You have seen him in many events, you know, the crazy photographer going around and making you laugh too. So he is the proud owner of Elvister Studio, and thank you so much for joining us today.
Welcome Myra for such a lovely intro.
Okay, keeping jokes aside, Elvister, we have a lot of questions. We had online sessions also. Okay, so the first thing that I want to ask you, okay, is when did you start your business and why?
When did I start my business? I started my business not like a business but as fun. That was long back when I was schooling. Then I started like proper photography. I did first function of my younger sister baptism, and then that thing went really well. Then I did an event in the college. I made a video and everybody just went crazy about that video. From then, like, I got a lot of interest into this photography. I'm mostly into this portrait photography, means where there are humans inside, because I love to interact with people, make them laugh, take their photos, like.
Oh, so that's a very brilliant start of yours. They say small things start with first step, and this is beautifully answered by you. Thank you, Elvister. Okay, so Elvister, recently on my post, I had asked a question about, you know, ask anything and Elvister will answer. So basically we have two lucky questions for you. So the first one going is, it is coming from the user ID on Instagram by Ferns Macklin. Macklin Fernandez, thank you so much for your question, and the question is, what inspired Elvister sir to get into photography skills? Because his photographs have inspired me a lot. So what is your inspiration, Elvister?
What has inspired me is actually, I think, the happiness. Like when I used to do photography for small events, I used to click pictures of people, make them laugh, and they used to get happy. Then I started doing more and more events from there. And also our parish priest who used to support me a lot, Father Peter Gama. Actually, I was going to drop this field, but then when I saw people are getting happy with my work and how I interact with each one of them, so I went on doing that. And with time, I also kept on improving on my skills, and automatically it comes when you keep on like doing shoots, like your skills keep getting better and better. And also, Jesus is the main source of my skills.
I am in fact very impressed, and I'm very happy. Father Peter, if you're hearing this, thank you so much, because this boy became really a good photographer. Many of the brides and the grooms, they love you, because I think it's the craziness that you do is making you exactly the unique person that you are. So good job, Elvister.
Thank you.
And now the second person, this is a question that is coming in from musicman_04 Vernon Machado. He has mentioned, he started with a compliment saying it is best photographer skills I've ever seen. So Machado, thank you so much Vernon for such a beautiful comment. But I want to understand something. This has inspired me to ask you. There are different products that every cameraman, you know, uses, and I want to know what is your personal favorite brand for photography.
Personal favorite brand is always from the beginning Canon, Godox and Bagmod.
So the quality of your image also depends on the equipment that you use. So I think those who are listening right now, you know what is Elvister's secret for now. So you know, Elvister, you have told us so many things about your inspiration, about the story behind. There is something that has inspired me for the next concept. So this is recently what I've started, and the question is, what is Elvister like? So all you got to do is, we're going to ask you certain random questions, whether it's going to be this or that, and you have to answer. Alright, you ready?
Ready? Let's see.
He's nervous right now. Okay, so the first question is, would you rather click photos with the bride or the groom?
I think most probably gonna be the bridesmaid.
You mean the bridesmaid? Okay, you're hearing out here, right? The bridesmaids can hire him right now. Alright, okay, that was well answered for the first question. The next one, would you rather have Superman power and fly like a drone, or be invisible and click photos without being seen?
I'll have Superman powers, because if I go invisible, what if I don't come back to visible?
Okay, and I think if you be like the drone, as others have said, you know, you will save money on the drone also if you're a Superman. Okay, so moving on to the next question, would you click an image with people in it or without people?
Of course people in it, because I love people.
I think as you have said also earlier, people bring out the best in you. Okay,
Yes.
beautifully said. Okay, moving on to the next question. This is, I think, a very tough choice for many of the people. Is most expensive camera lens or most expensive camera body?
I think the body, because lenses you can use older ones with the new cameras, but new cameras have a lot of new features, and camera bodies keep on upgrading.
Alright, so this is the last question for today. Okay, would you rather grow old with your camera or with your girlfriend?
I would rather grow young with my camera and old with my girlfriends.
Wow, girlfriend. So I think this is an open answer to all the girls. He's saying I'm single, I'm available. So please hurry up and call him for bookings and also to be his girlfriend. It's right here for you. But before we go ahead, I want to understand one thing, Elvister. What would be the tip that you would like to give out from your side to everyone watching this video right now?
You can just try Elvister and you'll fall in love with Elvister Studio.
Wow, that's an open message out there. So you see, this boy plays the guitar. He's readily, available. The phone numbers which I'll be mentioning right now on the screen, all his details. You can follow him on Instagram, Facebook. All the details are available. So why waste time? You can just go ahead and contact him. So Elvister, thank you so much for your time, all that you have given to us and to everyone watching out here. So you are a new entrepreneur. And there are many people who are aspiring to be a young photographer entrepreneur like you. So what would be your, message to everyone watching this video right now?
I saw a lot of new photographers coming and a lot of old photographers dropping out. Means also the new photographers dropping out. But I feel the sky should be grown with many stars in it. So the sky wouldn't look good with only one star. So everyone who wants to try out photography or come into photography, always this thing, you all can come into photography and try out your luck.
I have never had such a deep thought, that too coming from Elvister. It is so deep and intense. Elvister, thank you so much. Good job for today's interview. Thank you so much for joining us. And ladies and gentlemen, with this we have reached to the end of today. And I hope you have enjoyed. Please follow up all the details that I'll be mentioning about Elvister on the screen and also in the description box. You can go ahead and check out his profile, all his videos, his work, and you will understand how crazy he is. And as he said before, try out Elvister Studios and you will fall in love with him. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you Elvister for joining us in.
Thank you, Elsie Mara.
Bye bye everybody. Thank you so much. Bye bye.